Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம TNTET paper 2 psychology answers எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம். 1. Which among the following is not a verbal test of intelligence? The answer is D only, digital symbol. 2. The handling of problems by a teacher while teaching refers to dash. The answer is option C, classroom management. 3. Arrange the steps of information processes identified by Sternberg. The answer is option B, CADB. 4. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The study of development is divided into three broad domains: physical, cognitive, and emotional and social. Reason, the concept of human consistency and change, is vast and interdisciplinary. It should be studied more orderly. So the answer is A. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 5. Arrange the following theories of intelligence in the chronological order. So the answer is option A, CDVA. 6. Arrange the Maslow's hierarchy of needs in sequence. So the answer is option C, CEABD. Next, match list 1 and list 2. So the answer is option C, 3, 4, 1, 2. 8. Match the identity statuses in the list 1 with their description in list 2. So the answer is option C, A1, B2, C4 and D3. 9. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, a second list of words, formulae or equation may impair the retention of a first list. Statement 2, the old learning retained in our memory works forward to disrupt the memory of what we acquire or learn afterwards. So the answer is option C. Both 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 10. Name the process through which the gradual reduction in the strength of a response due to repetitive stimulation happens. So the answer is option C, habituation. 11. Arrange the super traits with their narrow traits for the big 5 factors of personality ocean. So the answer is option B, E, B, A, C, D. 12. Arrange the development of peer sociability during the preschool years. So the answer is option C, CADB. 13. Which among the following are misconceptions about intelligence? The answer is option D, A, B, D only. 14. Which among the following activities does gross motor development facilitate? The answer is option B, A, C and D only. 15. Identify the structure in the brainstem that maintains alertness and consciousness, generates synapses, myelinates from early childhood into adolescence. The answer is option B, reticular formation. 16. Arrange the developmental sequence of cognitive play categories. So the answer is option B, D, B, A, C. 17. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, according to Sigmund Freud, morality emerges between ages 3 and 6. Statement 2, the period between ages 3 and 6 is when Oedipus and Electra conflict arise. The answer is option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. 18. Match the authors of theories of child development in the list 1 with their theories in the list 2. So the answer is option D, A4, B3, C1, D2. 19. Label the term that Bronfenbrenner used to denote the temporal dimension of his model. The answer is chronosystem. 20. Name the term that refers to the prenatal special growth centers in the bones. The answer is epiphysis. Option C. 21. Arrange the process of memorization in sequences. The answer is option C, B, D, A, C. Next, 22. Which among the following is necessary for the accuracy of any process of measurement in personality? The answer is option B, A, B, and D only. 23. Arrange the following in their order to arrive at a systematic approach to learning and memorization. The answer is option A, F, A, C, E, B, D. Next question, 24. Which of the following is not the definition of depth perception? So the answer is option C, B, C, D only. 25. Statement 1. Kohlberg viewed moral development as a gradual process extending through 6 stages organized into 3 levels. Statement 2. The 3 levels of moral development according to Kohlberg are pre-operational level, post-operational level, and conventional level. So the answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Next, 26. Which among the following are features of e-learning? So the answer is option C, A, B, and D only. 27. Assertion. The authoritative parenting style is considered as the most successful approach in child rearing. Reason. The authoritative child rearing style involves high acceptance and involvements, adaptive control techniques, and appropriate autonomy granting. So the answer is option A. Both A and R are correct, and the R is the correct explanation of A. 28. Which of the following is not a mnemonic device? So the answer is SQ3R technique. 29. Which among the following are misconceptions about personality? So the answer is option D, A, B, and D only. Next, the last question, 30. Given below are 2 statements. Statement 1. During the early months, infants have only a limited capacity to regulate their emotional states. Statement 2. Rapid development of the frontal lobes increases the baby's tolerance. So the answer is option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Thank you.